In this lecture, we're going to add some realism to the camera by adding in some depth of field. If you're following along, please open up file 05. And now we have our camera sorted and we have everything in position. Let's go into the camera, open up this tab and go to the camera settings. Now, the first thing we need to do is turn on the depth of field, and it probably doesn't do anything at first, and it's because we need to focus on the focus distance and the aperture. So at 5 seconds, I want everything to be clear and clean, so I'm going to put a keyframe on aperture and focus distance. And at frame 0, let's start off with the aperture, and let's just bump this right up. And as you bump it up, you can start seeing the images starts going blurry. It's getting blurry up, and this is exactly what we want, because we want to have the image very blurry and it starts revealing itself. As it comes towards the end. So keep going up. I don't want it completely blurry because I do want to be able to see something. And this is where the focus distance comes in. So now we have everything blurry. If you click and drag on the focus distance, you should be able to see if you just move back and forth. Could you see? If I move it over to the left, this is very focused. And then if I move it slightly to the right, the island becomes focused. So what we want to do, as we start quite zoomed in, I want to focus on something further away, and then as it comes round, reveal the rest of the image. So let's have a look at maybe making this building here. I feel it's quite a predominant building. We start with the focus on here, and this is quite focused, so maybe a little bit further, maybe play around with the aperture a little bit. So the focus is around here now. It goes across. This is becoming clearer. This one's becoming clearer. These are a little bit blurry yet. Go around. And the rest of the image starts revealing itself. Let's do a RAM preview. Press 0 on the numpad. Now the RAM preview's done. Yeah, I like that. That looks good. You can really see the parallax. You can see the depth in the image. Brilliant.